This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, fine. And I'm sharing my screen. Today, first of all, that's it. Let's see how this will be like in our local system. Where exactly these were like database? Where exactly these we are using in our local system, in our local systems. Power BI has to be installed. Power BI has to be installed, and with this, automatically from Power BI, we will go to the transform data, where we clean, where ETL extract, transform, load, this all process will go. Okay, and Power BI service part, like online, we have to create account and we have to go with it. And let's go to the Power BI service. This part, we have to create one account and we have to deploy our reports to the cloud. Normally Power BI is in Microsoft tool. That's why here deployment is the cloud which is in Power BI is Azure cloud. Azure cloud for information purpose. And we know Power BI service is paid version. Organizations will anyways provide us. Okay. Provide us anyways. Organizations will provide us anyways. Okay. Where after deploying our service, like normally if I show you how it happens means, suppose see, if this is the thing, how to deploy it, I'll show you. Suppose I'll be picking the sample data from the Power BI itself, and Power BI is also having sample data also to practice purpose. And I'm not taking any data which I have earlier, real-time data I'm not going with, just for the sample data I'm showing you now. Okay, see, here it is sample data, try a sample data. See here, this icon you can see, try a sample semantic model, click on it. Well, the installation also once again. See, load sample data. Load sample data. Click on it. Select one sheet. Again, I'm loading it. I'll show you how the deployment works normally. I'll show you that part. Okay. Okay. See, nothing to do. Just ignore this. I'm focused on deployment part. Okay. What happened to this? One second. Okay. I've gone with this. Just I'm going with another slicer itself also, like this part. I'm making this small. See, no, I can change it. Only France I can see no. Only Germany I can see no. Okay. I'll make another visual just for the deployment. I want to show you the service part. Okay. See now. If I go with another visual, country, sales into the values. Okay. And country here, slice. Here sales we have taken. There we have gone with the profit. See how I'll deploy it. Publish, save, name. It is asking the name. Uh, Sample 7 p.m. Saving this. See, my workspace. See, already I have opened that account, service account. I'll show you in service part. Normally we have to create account and this all things. Already I have created account. Already I'm going with my account itself. Okay. Creation of account and how to create account and how to practice like in real time scenario. We'll see that in class. But like just focus on it. See, after clicking that particular link. See, here link is there. See, open 7 p.m. PBX. Just going with this. See, just going with this. Just going with this. See, click OK. See, there is a service account, guys, where directly your user can see. So here only the dashboards are going to made here only. See, the what we have made chart. See, the chart which we have made. This one, this one. See, two charts. Service we can see. If I do again, see, if I go back again, got it? Again, third chart. If I go for third chart, something. If I go for anything, let's go for the this one. Let's go with product x-axis. So I'll go for the in the line y-axis. Let's go for the sale price. Okay. I'll take product of here. Product, slice it. See. I'll again have to save this. Save. Save my workspace. Select. Replace. Replace. Got it. See. I can see there. Where it is, I can see there. One second. One second, one second. Where is one second? See. No. See here. If I refresh this, see. See another third choice. It is deploying. What else I'm doing in the desktop, my client can see. What else I'm doing in the desktop, my client can see. With this credentials of the service part, which organizations will provide. No worries about it. So, okay. After this, in this way, it's going to be. But like directly I've shown you that, but like entire process which I said, like data cleaning, uh, checking missing values, data cleaning will be there. Data cleaning will be there. Filling missing values will be there. Missing values will be there. Filling missing values will be there. And also data cleaning, filling missing values. After this, making into right format and data types changing will be there. Data types changing, handling data types. Particular column in which format, particular column in which format it is in, that is important. We have to be cautious with that particular column, which format it is in, means uh, in which data type it belongs to, in which it belongs to, in which data type it belongs to. We have to check these all things. We have to check. We have to create some columns if necessary. We have to create some columns necessary. Create some columns like necessary. Yesterday given DAX example, right, in that way. Okay. After this all things, making data pre-processing, this is all called as in the above steps. Pre-processing of the data. Data pre-processing. After data pre-processing only, after this only we'll go with the reports, and dashboards are going to be made in the Power BI service, not in desktop. Okay. So about this, okay, fine. Desktop is free. How to install it? Free to use in our local systems. Desktop is free to use in our local systems. If you want, let's install it. One second. I'll show you. I'll be sharing the link. Let's install the cluster. Okay. One second. See the link I'm sharing this. I'm keeping it in chart. I have shared you guys in the chart. Please see. After that, click on this. Click on this. Download. Click on this download. See again I'm doing. See. Go back. Download. See. Click on this. Click on this. According to you, you can see this. See, you can see this kind of thing. Your system. What exactly your system like? 64 or like normal? You can check it over here. You can check it over here. Go here. Settings. Where you can check means go there. Settings. Be on hold once again. Got stuck. Once again. Settings. Open it. System. System. About. Again I am showing you. System. Go to system and about. Here you can see 64-bit. I can see my system is 64-bit. My system is 64-bit. I can see. So what I have to do? I have to install according to my system. I have to go. Have to select this. Any one of you, please let me know whether doing the same steps with me or not.
So does it applicable for MacBook?
Yes, it will.
But I'm unable to download it.
One second. One second. One second. I'll share you that link. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Okay. I'll share you that link for the Mac Apple. Okay. No worries.
okay.
It isn't differ, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll share you the link. One second. My system is Windows actually. Okay. I'm focusing on Windows again. One second. Okay, I'll go with the. I'll check this 1 second. Why? Because like my system is not Apple, my system is in Windows. Okay, and
Okay.
okay, I'll let you know. Okay, no worries about it. But
Okay.
anyone of you guys who is using Windows? Anyone of you? Anyone of you guys? Hello. No one. No one. Okay, fine. Do it out. Install it. Install it. Okay. Install it and prepare for the tomorrow's class. After this, and also I'll be guiding you for the PostgreSQL also installation. Let's see here. Install and be ready with Power BI tomorrow. Okay. Install it or else like okay, 1 second. SQL SQL PostgreSQL. Install this. And also we have to install this also. Okay. I'll guide you. If anyone of you were ready to share the screen, miss, I'll guide you. I'll 1 second. I'll share you the link. See guys, here a number of options will be there. I'm sharing you the link. Krishna, will you able to share screen for this installation? I've shared you the link.
Yes.
Okay. Shall I make you presenter?
Yeah. Okay.
1 second. I'm stop sharing first. I made you presenter. You can share screen. Please follow my instructions. And also with this databases part, we have to be cautious and we have to be handled with care regarding the databases. In Power BI, you can play with Power BI. Trial and error you can do in Power BI. Any button, anything in that, any option. But here, it's very, very means like we have to be cautious with this. We have to be careful while handling this databases. This is note, guys. Okay. Data analyst roadmap you're showing me. Data collection. Okay, great.
Hello.
6 months of data analyst roadmap. If you're really focused, it means 3 months we can do it Harsha Trainings. Scroll it down. What else they have given? Scroll it down. Yes, stop sharing. Go ahead, Ramakrishna. Sai Ramakrishna.
I'm facing issue while sharing.
Which kind of issue, like? Any one of you guys? Any one of you? If you guys want to, means without installation, where you guys will practice it? See. Okay, fine. Once again, I'll be sharing my screen.
Hello.
Okay, tell me, Sairam.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
Tell me, Sairam.
Now, can you send me the link to share my
One
screen?
second, I made you host. One second, I made you host. I made you host.
Okay.
There's a one second. I'll dump this. See no. Mac OS. Download the installer. Above. You can see. Here. No, not interactive installer by below that. That only. That below that. Below that only.
Yeah.
Be careful and without my instructions, please don't go ahead. Please don't go forward. Why? Because
Okay.
like we have to be cautious while we are dealing with this databases.
Okay.
Okay. Go with that 16.6. 16.6.
Yes, I clicked on.
Click on that. Go back. Here Mac OS. Mac OS. Mac OS. Click on it. You guys also guys. People who were going with Windows, you have to select Windows initially. After that Windows part, you have to go back. It is installing, see, it is downloading, see. Don't do
Yeah.
anything, it's downloading. It's getting downloaded, okay? Same guys, you guys have to do same thing. Click on that link. After that link, after that, select the operating system, Windows or Apple. After that, how he have gone with the below the Mac. In the same way, if you guys were belong to the belong to the Mac means you have to go with same. Belong to the Windows means you have to click the button below the Windows part. Okay. Right click on it, open it, install it. It have downloaded. I hope it was downloaded. Click on it, right click and open it. Open it. Open. Now it's going to be installed. Open. Mac, right? It should not show this. One second. PostgreSQL wants to make change. Enter your password. Tell her this. Your password. Okay. Your system password, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Without my instructions, don't do anything, please.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Next. Next. Remove the stack builder left side. Okay. Next. Thus, you people have to follow the same instruction while installing. Next. Next. The password should be simple. 1 2 3 4 5 that way. Very simple. It has to be remembered forever. 1 2 3 4 5, not more than that. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5. Why? Because like every time while you open this application, you have to give password for that purpose. Next. 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 One second. One second. Next. Yes. How much? What is speed of your internet?
30 Mbps.
That's why. Finish. It's very fast. Normally, it's going to take you almost more than 10 to 15. Finish. Okay. Go to your search down. Search box is there. Down in your system. Open pgadmin. Pgadmin. Application search. See that pgadmin form. Click on it. Complete differ, right? If you're going with Windows and if you're using this Mac. pgadmin form. Open that. Have you opened that pgadmin form?
No, no, it is a two open.
Okay. I'm not able to see that. Yes. One second. Top left, top left, top left, servers. Don't do anything without my instruction. Click on it. Click on that arrow. Click on that arrow. Give the password. Give
And
the
new
password.
password
Which
before I have
while
given one.
installing. Come again.
It is new password or before I have one password that is I have to add.
Uh, Means the password which we have given while I already told you, like
Yeah, 1 2 3
password
you
should be
told.
simple. Like, uh,
Yeah.
1 2 3 4 5. No, don't save it. Don't save it. If you forgot it, it's going to create you an hectic task. Write it somewhere else.
O-
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. More than it's going to take you to resolve that particular password changing. More than in that time, you can learn SQL also. That much time it's going to take to resolve that.
Okay.
Okay. Click OK. Go their databases left side. Left side. Go their databases. Left side. Left side. Click on database. Right click.
Yeah, clicked it. Databases only. There we have Postgres,
Databases
Cache.
में इधर right click here. And on click place your cursor on the databases and right click. Place your cursor on databases and right click.
Create a database.
Hmm. Yeah,
Shall I
create
do it?
database. Just create it.
Okay.
Like sample database. Give the name sample database. Just say MPLE.
Okay.
Click OK. Save down.
Save.
Go down and save it. Down, save it.
Yeah, done. Saved itself.
It was lag something. I can see that only. 1 second. Okay. Now I can see. Cool.
Okay.
Click on that sample database here. Right click. Some
Again, it
lag
is
is there. That's right. Don't mind.
okay.
Right click.
Yeah,
Go down.
create it.
Query tool. Last second. No. Last second. Query tool.
Okay.
Query tool. Query tool. You can see that query tool. Last second option. Yes. Here only will be writing SQL. Yes.
Okay.
Here only we'll be writing queries itself. Okay. How yesterday I've shown you. Okay. Oh, 1 second.
Okay.
You can stop uh, sharing. I'll share my screen if you stop sharing this.
Okay. Okay.
We could stop sharing. Okay.
Yeah, I have stopped my screen.
Okay, I'm just opening this PG admin for application. One second. Guys, the management have, I think, management have shared you guys one classroom of Google Classroom. Hello. One second, I'm opening this. One second. Lag. Second, guys. See. See. Normally, already I'm having the previous data. So from that, if I want to write, select star. Here only I will be writing queries. And if this is in sample 8 p.m. be cautious. Here the trick over here is this database is sample 8 p.m. See, and the query tool have created from here. Query tool. This query tool also belongs to database only. So if I take query tool from another, see, if I take inbuilts, or else like if I take DVD rental database, see, if I write the same query, here also it is there. One second. Here also the same data is there. I can close like this. Okay, one second. Don't save. I'll show you one second. Same data is there. That's the reason. One second. I'll show you another example. Good example. Look, I'll take query tool from this window functions database. See, we cannot. Why? Because like here in this Windows functions, I don't have this database. Way to see means, see, entire I have closed this Windows database. See, one second. I'll show you. Have to close this. Have to close this. Have to close this. See now, if I want to Windows database, see, this query tool have taken from the Windows functions database. This query tool have taken from the window functions. That's why I cannot open this. Why? Because window functions has no table. This database has no table of this. If I open this, if I want to open this, click on the arrow of this. I'll show you. See, beyond hold. Arrow of this. Click on it. After that, you can see these all. After that, click on schemas. Again, click on schemas. Schemas. You can see in the tables, in the schemas, in tables, in schemas, in tables. Inside schemas, tables option. You have to click on this. Here only one table is there. Employees table is there. Products table is not there. If I go with employees table, it works. It fetches the data of that. So, what were the tables inside of that particular database that only we can go with that particular query tool. If I am opening the query tool from the sample 8pm, it will only table inside it will fetch. Inside this will fetch, this will fetch. This also, window functions also, tables inside this window functions will fetch, will fetch, will fetch. Okay, I'll show you this also. See, I'll close this. Sample 8pm. Again going to the schemas, tables. You can see products. These all tables we can fetch information from. This is all tables. Only these all tables inside of it. Okay, already this with the inbuilt tables which I have. We can create tables also. We can create tables also. Okay, see, we can create normally. We can create tables. And again here also data types for the table is mandatory. I'll show you later. We can create tables. Normally we tables for this. Suppose it is a database. Sample database. Sample database. If you open this, you can see inside this schemas. Again inside this, again inside this, fetch from the query tool from this database. Note, this is note. Means query tool, if you go with the query tool of this where we write queries, from this only this tables can be fetched. We cannot fetch the different tables, different database tables from this, from different. We cannot fetch the another note. We cannot fetch the different tables inside database from different query type. We cannot fetch the different tables inside different data type, different database from the different query type. If any issue with my handwriting, also let me know. Okay, I'll write in more clearly. Any queries, guys, still here? From tomorrow, we'll continue from here. We'll see creation of tables, and after that, these all things we'll see. Okay.